Welcome to part 2 of the Yale Real Living Deadbolt setup and installation with Alexa using the Amazon Echo Plus hub. Check my channel for part 1 where we install the Yale Deadbolt in my door. So getting started first, enter the menu system by entering your smart lock's master code, then confirm you have number 7. If you don't, you probably put the Zigbee wireless module in after the batteries like I did. Remove the batteries, reseat the Zigbee, reinstall the batteries, and it will appear. Push 7, then 1 on your keypad to join the wireless network. Before attempting to join the wireless network, tell Alexa to discover devices before you attempt to do so. Alexa, discover my devices!
Completed.
Okay, so Alexa's completed setup. It has this first lock showing up now. First lock is unlocked, it says. Okay. And now it's locked. So that's pretty cool. Again, you need the Echo Plus to do this because it has the built-in hub. If you have a smart hub like Samsung Smart Things, that would also work just fine. Now that I have my Yale Smart Lock paired with my Amazon Echo Plus, I can now give her commands and tell her to open and close the door. Alexa, lock the door.
Locking. Hang on. The first lock is locked. So pairing the Yale Real Living Deadbolt with the Echo Plus Smart Hub for use with Alexa is just that easy if you install the ASA Abloy Zigbee module in the correct order. Things were kind of blurry in here in the earlier video, so I just want to show you inside the Amazon Alexa app. Here we have the Smart Home option that you just push on. And I've renamed the lock to Garage Door, and you just push on that. Currently tells you that my garage door is locked, and if I push this big button here, it waits for the Yale, and now unlocks the door. I push it again. The door is now relocked, so it's just that easy. I hope you were able to use this review to help you discover and pair your Yale lock with Amazon Alexa. And please leave me a like if you did, and consider subscribing. Thank you.